Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are met: battery above 10% and a stable signal. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Emergency SOS to observe the current configuration. This matters because toggles control automatic calls. You'll need your Apple ID password and emergency contacts to save changes and verify functionality. Now test the hardware trigger. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the SOS slider appears. Don't slide yet. We're verifying the activation path. Next, disable auto call only if accidental activations are the issue. This prevents unintended 911 dials while preserving SOS access. You should reset emergency SOS by toggling off then on, and re-add emergency contacts and health to ensure correct routing. This fixes corrupted contact links. Once configured, perform a controlled test. Hold side plus volume until the countdown starts, and when the call initiates, cancel before it dials. This verifies the software flow without contacting emergency services. Finally, update to the latest iOS because Apple pushes SOS fixes that resolve most issues. Do this before tougher steps. If problems persist, back up your iPhone and perform a restore via Finder or iTunes. This removes software corruption that may block SOS. Make sure to test after the restore. If the SOS function still fails, suspect hardware. Visit an Apple store or contact Apple support for diagnostics. One tip: keep a secondary phone available during testing to avoid emergency service mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.